Tired of just scrolling through courses and wishing you could make money from them? Let's turn that wish into reality with Dropcourse affiliate marketing. First, head over to dropcourse.com and create your free affiliate account. The process is quick and easy. Just look for the affiliate program link at the bottom of the page. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the affiliate dashboard. This is your mission control center, where you can track your performance, grab your unique affiliate links, and see your earnings. Now, it's time to pick the perfect courses to promote. Think about your audience and what they're interested in. Choose courses that align with your niche and that you genuinely believe in. The more passionate you are, the more effective your promotion will be. Once you've chosen a course, grab your unique affiliate link. This link is how Dropcourse tracks which sales came from your efforts, so be sure to use the correct one. Time to spread the word. Share your affiliate links on your blog, social media, email newsletters, or even create YouTube tutorials. Get creative and think outside the box. The more places you share, the higher your chances of earning. Keep a close eye on your dashboard to track your conversions. See which courses are performing well and which promotion methods are working best. This data is invaluable for optimizing your strategy. Finally, remember that patience and consistency are key. Affiliate marketing takes time and effort, but with a strategic approach and dedication, you can maximize your earnings with Dropcourse. So, get out there and start promoting.